Welcome to my channel. I am back with another hair collab, and today's video is sponsored by BGM Hair, Black Girl Magic Hair. This is my second time collabing with them, y'all. They did send me a wear and go wig, so I'll be installing this with y'all, showing how I got this easy 5-minute install. When I say 5 minutes, literally 5 minutes. So let's get right into this video. This wig is definitely a 10 out of 10.
You change overnight.
Whooped it, bitch, I'm outside of some movie. Blue cheese, I swear I'm addicted to blue cheese. I gotta stick to this paper like Bruce Lee. Bitch, I'm by my chicken like it's a two-piece. You can have your bitch back, she a groupie. She just swallow all my kids in a two-seat. Swagged out, familiar, we bringing them gas out. I still got some racks stuffed in the trap house. Off the 42, I'm blowing her back out. I'm back on my bullshit, spin back with a full clip. They say I'm with a ruthless, and my shooters they shooting. I won't take it up full risk. I get the breeze, then it's adios. If I'm with your trees, then she give it though. When I see police, then we gang low. That's another piece, that's another zone. Ice in the VV, now she down to get greasy. I got all this water on me like Fiji. Bitch, I'm posted up with hats and the sleazies. They go straight to the Mata. Then I'm up in the chopper, hitting the cha-cha. Open his lata, then he dancing my cha-cha. Up in the Zaza, they go straight to the Mata. Then I'm up in the chopper, hitting the cha-cha. Then I'm open his lata, then he dancing my cha-cha. Whooped it, bitch, I'm outside of some movie. Blue cheese, I swear I'm addicted to blue cheese. I gotta stick to this paper like Bruce Lee. Bitch, I'm by my chicken like it's a two-piece. You can have your bitch back, she a groupie. She just swallow all my kids in a two-seat. Swagged out, familiar, we bringing them gas out. I still got some racks stuffed in the trap house. Off the 42, I'm blowing her back out. I'm back on my bullshit, spin back with a full clip. They say I'm with a ruthless, and my shooters they shooting. I won't take it up full risk. Swagged out, familiar, we bringing them gas out. I still got some racks stuffed in the trap house. Off the 42, I'm blowing her back out. I'm back out, bullshit, spin back with a full clip. They say I'm with a ruthless, and my shooters they shooting. I won't take it up full risk.
But you can't be better.
not that I don't want you here. It's something about the way you stare into my eyes. I know that I don't make things clear. I fall for you every time. Chase beach views and every day. All I wanna hear is an ever how we play. Sit right next to you. I try not to show how I feel about you.
So guys, this is the final look. I definitely loved collabing with Black Girl Magic Hair. When I say this wig was definitely a 10 out of 10, y'all, this was one of the easiest wigs to put on. As I mentioned, this wig was literally a 5-minute process. Y'all, this wear and go is literally every girl must have, y'all. Not only that, the inches was there, the wig is very full, literally everything. When I say this wig is a 10 out of 10, it's definitely a 10 out of 10. I will be turning around, showing y'all a back view and side view, literally every angle of this wig. I definitely love it. Everything about this company will be in the description box. You can use my discount codes to get money off your purchase if you're interested in shopping with them. As I mentioned, this wig can be glueless as well, y'all. So definitely use that discount code to get money off if you're interested in shopping with them. Let them know that I did send you. Everything about this company will be in the description box, as well as their WhatsApp, their email, literally everything, website, literally everything, y'all, including all the details for this exact wig. So I hope y'all enjoyed as much as I enjoyed collabing with BGM Hair. Everything about this company will be in the description box. We at 50K, we're on the road to 100K. Y'all know the vibes. Don't forget to tell a friend, tell a friend about my channel. And if you already haven't watched the rest of my videos, sis, what are you doing? I don't know. But until next time, I will see y'all in my next video.